Alam niyo po ba na sa mga nangyaring ito, talagang dismayadong dismayado. Etong si Naal Putera mga kababayan at eto pong si na LRY aka Small Boy at etong si GYD dahil nga mga kababayan hindi po pumabor sa Gatchalian Black yung mga nangyayari. Dahil nga po officially hindi na Senate President etong si Alan Peter Cayetano ang nakikitang paraan na lamang ni LRY aka Small Boy mga kababayan para madepensahan etong si Sara Duterte sa darating na impeachment trial nito ay manatiling Senate President etong si Alan Peter Cayetano. Pero dahil nga sa mga nangyaring ito mga kababayan, talagang napahiya po ng matindi at dismayado ng matindi mga kababayan ito pong si LRY aka Small Boy. Dahil kung titingnan nyo naman, maliwanag dito na sinasabi na ito daw pong si Senator Joel Villanueva talagang pumanig na dito po sa majority block mga kababayan na pinangungunahan ni Tito Sen at Senator Wing Gatchalian dahil nga ngayon officially Senate President na etong si Senator Wing Gatchalian mga kababayan at nasipa na sa kanyang pwesto etong si Alan Peter Cayetano. So ngayon mga kababayan, panoorin natin yung mga kaganapan na nangyari kanina na kung saan talagang nakakuha na po ng 13 boto bilang Senate President ito pong si Senator Wing Gatchalian sa tulong ni Senator Joel Villanueva. Alam nyo mga kababayan kung titingnan po natin, kung makikita ninyo, di ba nung mga nagdaan na buwan, no, nakaraang taon, kritiko po talaga tayo ni Senator Joel Villanueva dahil nga po buhat nung nabanggit yung kanyang pangalan sa maanumalyang flood control. Pero kung titingnan po natin sa pagkakataong ito ngayon, hindi natin maikakaila na siya po talaga ang tumapos ng kaguluhan dyan po sa Senado. At malaking bagay po yung ginawa niya kasi yan daw po yung pinakamahirap na desisyon mga kababayan ng isang senador ang maging pan-13. Kasi nga sasabihin ng iba, lalo na ng mga didishit na walang utak, sasabihin po nila na ano daw, traidor daw, Judas daw, nasa JIL daw yung Judas mga kababayan at kung ano-ano pa ang itinatawag po nila kay Senator Joel Villanueva. Pero kung titingnan nyo mga kababayan kung titingnan po ninyo, si Senator Joel Villanueva ang gumawa ng isang napakagandang bagay na kung saan ang makikinabang niyan ay walang iba kung hindi yung mga kababayang Pilipino po natin. Ano po, dahil nga makakapagtrabaho ng muli ang Senado, uusad ng muli ang Senado mga kababayan. So ngayon ito, panoorin po natin yung nangyaring kaganapan kanina mga kababayan bago po italaga bilang Senate President etong si Senator Wing Gatchalian at Senate Pro Tempore etong si Tito Sen. So ito, i-play po natin.
Say aye. Aye. All those against say nay. The ayes have it. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is declared Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. Maybe ask Senator Gatchalian to, before that, Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Yes, just for the record that the vote having a quorum is unanimous, Mr. President, for the record.
I'll be remiss of my duty and responsibility as a senator,
Oh,
colleague, and friend if I didn't thank and commend our two distinguished colleagues, Senator Chis Escudero and Senator Joel Villanueva, for responding to their higher calling for this chamber.
Pursuant to Proclamation 1318 issued by President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr.,
oh.
the first session of the Senate in the first special session of the 20th Congress is hereby called to order.
Yan na!
Let us pause for a minute of silent prayer.
Grabe no? Sa wakas.
Amen. The Secretary will please call the roll.
The Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero,
Oh.
Senator Estrada, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Soto III, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, Senate President Pro Tempore Gatchalian.
With 13 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Yan na! Oh, ano?
Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Alam nyo mga kababayan, since nauna ito, wala na pong silbi. Yung ipinail na petition mga kababayan ni Alan Peter Cayetano sa Korte Suprema. Kasi ito, legit na to. Talagang wala na silang pwedeng questionin dito kasi nga 13 na. Ano po, may 13 na yung senator para magluklok ng legit na Senate President. At ang legit na Senate President na ngayon ay walang iba kung hindi itong si Senator Win Gatchalian. Ano po, dahil nga may sapat na quorum na. Ano po, anyway, bagamat nung nakaraang araw mga kababayan, talaga maliwanag na may sapat na quorum na dahil nga sa Abilino versus Cuenco, ngayon mga kababayan, talagang ito yung masasabi po natin na may sapat na bilang na para magluklok ng Senate President. Anyway, ituloy pa natin.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President of the Philippines. I so move.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the election of the Senate President is now in order.
Mr. President, I move to, if I may be able to be recognized to nominate our Senate President.
Yes, we recognize the Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I rise today to nominate Senate President Pro Temp Sherwin Gatchalian as the President of the Senate of the Philippines.
Oh!
Throughout his public service career as member of the House of Representatives, as mayor of Valenzuela City, and as senator, he has consistently proven his competence, his effective leadership, and his unparalleled work ethic. Siya nga po palagi ang nagsasara ng Senado, staying late in his office even after adjournment. As a matter of fact, Mr. President, I hear complaints from your staff that hindi na po sila nakakauwi ng disenteng oras dahil overwork daw sila, overwork. At palagi nilang tinatanong sa akin, kailan ko daw siya mahahanap ng girlfriend para makauwi daw ng mas maaga. Kaya Mr. President, ikaw nga po daw ang sinasabi niya nagsasara ng Senado na wala na pong staff, ikaw na lang po naiiwan.
Ah!
And that just shows your dedication, Mr. President, on how hardworking you are in preparing for the days ahead. He has ably led some of our most demanding and time-consuming and consequential committees, namely the Committee on Energy, the Committee on Economic Affairs, the Committee on Basic Education, and most notably, the Committee on Finance. As Finance Chair, he had navigated the very challenging period in the wake of flood control scams coming into light. But he led the Finance Committee with great resolve, spearheading unprecedented initiatives to ensure accountability and transparency in the national budget. I believe that this last budget, my dear colleagues, was one of the most transparent in recent history. As a matter of fact, whatever projects that we wanted to insert or amend into the budget, we had to come up with voluminous requirements and documents coming from the agencies themselves and the receiving bodies like the LGUs. And that was the request, not just the request, it was the demand of then Finance Chair Win Gatchalian. He's the leader that the Senate needs in this time of division and disarray, and he has done this before. I know he'll be able to rise above the fray and lead us back to our principal function, which is to attend to the work of legislation.
Oh!
I have every confidence that as Senate President, he'll be able to set the institution back on the right path, guided by the highest standards of service, integrity, and morality. To my colleagues, I plead, let us elect Senate President Gatchalian and let us get back to our work in this hallowed institution.
Oh.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. And maybe we don't need to put it to a vote, Mr. President. Maybe we can do it by acclamation, Mr. President. Ayes and nays would be fine. I so move, Mr. President.
So,
And I move
Although
to close. There are no other nominees for Senate President. I move to close the period of nomination.
any objection? Hearing none, the nominations are closed.
Therefore, Mr. President, we'd like to
Therefore-
congratulate.
Ye, as you said, for,
Yes.
to vote
Ayes and
will,
nays.
as acclamation. All those in favor of Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines, say aye. Aye. All those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is declared Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Ano? Ano, ha?
Senator
Ano?
Gatchalian before that, Senator
Ano?
Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Oh, ano? Ah? Oh. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kababayan. Kapag ka ginagamit mo yung salita ng Diyos para lang sa pangsarili mong interes, kapag ka ginagamit mo yung salita ng Diyos para pang weaponize sa mga kalaban mo sa politika, hindi ka papaboran ng langit. At ito na ang nangyari mga kababayan. Isang patunay na huwag niyong gagamitin ang salita ng Diyos sa walang katuturan. Dahil ito talaga mga kababayan, yung isang patunay na hindi lahat ng gumagamit ng salita ng Diyos sa walang katuturan at para sa pangsarili niyang interes ay hindi po talaga nagtatagumpay sa huli. 'Di ba? Ayan o, napakaliwanag mga kababayan. Hindi pumabor ang langit kay Alan Peter Cayetano. Sa kabila ng mga matatamis na salita na galing sa Biblia mga kababayan na ginagamit niya, ano po para silawin ng mga kababayang Pilipino po natin para masunod yung pangsarili niyang interes, hindi pa rin po siya pinaboran ng langit. Ano po, anyway, ituloy pa natin.
Yes, just for the record that the vote having a quorum is unanimous, Mr. President, for the record.
Thank you. We place that on record. May we ask Senator Sherwin Gatchalian to ascend to the rostrum to take his oath as Senate President.
Ano? Ayan na. O ano? Paano ba yan? Tapos na ang laban. Tapos na ang laban mga kababayan. Iyak na yung mga DD shit. Dahil may bago na po Senate President ang Senado.
For the record, Mr. President.
Yan po sa ilaw. Spot na.
May mga kasama ka.
Meron.
Tayo natin.
Sila Mix.
Oo, dapat. Mix at saka si Cheese.
Mix.
May we request Senator Zubiri and Senator Escudero to please join us. Dito sila likod ko.
Oo.
Pamilya mo sa likod ko.
Okay.
Grabe no?
Mga ex-men. Yung kayo sa kabila. Yung kayo sa kabila.
Solid talaga mga kababayan ng pagkakaibigan ni na Senator Win Gatchalian, Senator Chis Escudero, at Senator Mig Zubiri mga kababayan, no? Kasi talagang ano biruin nyo, kasama pa dito sa taas.
Dito yung family.
Di ba dapat dito kayo? Dito kayo dalawa. Dito. Dito kayo. Yan.
Yung may family.
Alright.
Careful
Sige.
with the steps.
Pare, first
Tama ba?
bachelor Senate President.
Yung iba pretending.
Oh, mami mo nandiyan naman.
Diyan na. Leto na.
Yeah, kompleto na.
Okay. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Sherwin Gatchalian,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will
Yung mga DD-shit Yung mga DD-shit dyan. Okay lang ba kayo? Okay lang kayo? Ikaw, okay ka lang. Dapat okay lang. Yung mga DD-shit
well and faithfully discharge
that I will well and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present
the
position
duties of my present position
and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the Philippines,
the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the Philippines,
to the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself
and that-
voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without
Ah.
mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Grabe, no? Solid. Oh, yung mga DD-set, okay lang kayo? Wala na. Hindi na umubra yung pagiging kapit tuko sa kapangyarihan. Ang ending, mga kababayan, wala pang isang buwan. Napalitan na bilang Senate President si Alan Peter Cayetano. Biruin nyo, mga kababayan, na wala pang isang buwan. Dahil ang pagkakaalam ko, June 3 yung unang ginawa nilang quorum, mga kababayan, di ba, nung 12 sila, na kung saan binakante nila lahat ng posisyon including the Senate President. So, ibig sabihin, nung mga panahon na yon, talagang hindi na Senate President si Alan Peter Cayetano. At ngayon, mga kababayan, maliwanag na hindi pa nakakaisang buwan itong si Alan Peter Cayetano sa pagiging Senate President. Sibak agad. Tanggal agad, mga kababayan. Tuloy pa natin.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, just put on record as well that you have been ably discharging your function as Senate President Pro Temp and Acting President since your election in June 3, 2026.
Ah.
I'd just like to extend our congratulations on your elections as the new Senate President.
Thank you very much, Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, now I would like to move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Tempore. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the election of the Senate President Pro Tempore is in order.
May I ask may we recognize, Mr. President, Senator Ping Lacson for the nomination?
We recognize Senator Ping Lacson.
Ayan na.
Thank you, Mr. President. With your honor's ascension as the fourth Senate President of the 20th Congress of the Republic of the Philippines, your previous post as Senate President Pro Tempore is now officially vacant. May I therefore nominate Senator Vicente Soto III to the position of Senate President Pro Tempore. Before I make my motion, Mr. President, I think I will be remiss of my duty and responsibility as a senator, colleague, and friend if I didn't thank and commend our two distinguished colleagues, Senator Chis Escudero and Senator Joel Villanueva, for responding to their higher calling for this chamber, our beloved institution known as the Philippine Senate. Higher than their friendships, their affiliations, and every
Alam nyo, mga kababayan, ito wag nating kakalimutan magpasalamat kay Senator Chis Escudero at Senator Joel Villanueva dahil kung hindi po dahil sa kanila, hindi po talaga matatapos ang kaguluhan sa Senado. Kaya nga kung tutusin, di ba, sinasabi ng kampo ni na Robin Padilla na yung bayani, mga kababayan, ay yung tawag dito, yung 18 kargador ng maleta, para sa akin ngayon, mga kababayan, ang gumawa ng kabayanihan ay etong si Senator Chis Escudero at si Senator Joel Villanueva. Alam nyo, ito, sasabihin ko sa inyo, kritiko ko nila. Diba, kita nyo naman kung paano natin sila i-criticize base sa mga trabahong ginagawa po nila. Pero ngayon, mga kababayan, yung ginawa nila ang makikinabang niyan taong bayan. Dahil yung mga panukalang batas na mga mahalaga, maiisulong na po. Ano po at mapapakinabangan agad-agad na mga kababayang Pilipino po natin. At ang isa pa dyan, yung tatlong mapopromote na sundalo, mga kababayan, na bago mag-retired, makakatanggap ng mataas na ranggo, napakalaking bagay po nun sa kanila. At bilang pagtanaw ng pasasalamat, sa mga sundalo na yan mga kababayan, karapat dapat lang talaga na ma-promote po sila. So sa pagkakataong ito, yung ginawa nitong dalawang senador, hindi nila inisip na mababati ko sila nung mga taga-suporta ni Sara Duterte, nung mga vlogger ni Sara Duterte, mga kababayan, ginawa pa rin po nila yung mandato nila bilang isang senador. So sa pagkakataong yan, isang malaking pasasalamat talaga kay Senator Joel Villanueva at kay Senator Chis Escudero. Ano po, dahil kabayanihan yung ginawa nila. Dahil nga kapakinabangan ng taong bayan yung mangingibabaw dito. At taong bayan naman talaga makikinabang yan. Anyway, tuloy pa natin.
Every individual member of this body, even higher than themselves. I would also wish to put on record that I intentionally and voluntarily relinquished the chairmanship of what is known or often referred to as the most powerful committee, the Blue Ribbon, for two primary reasons. Number one, I am tired of losing old friends and there are other colleagues who are equally
Tuloy natin.
tired of losing old friends and number two, there are other colleagues who are equally, if not more qualified than this humble representation to take on the job. If there were no takers, I was willing, albeit with a heavy heart, to retain and continue sitting as chairman and resume a duty that I am morally and obligated to perform. With that, Mr. President, I move to nominate the position of Senate President pro tempore, Senator or the Honorable Vicente Soto III. I so move, Mr. Chairman. Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you. Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. And just to give a short manifestation, Mr. President, I'd like to have the privilege to second the nomination of Senator Vicente C. Soto III as a Senate President pro temp. I was his majority leader in all 3 times he was elected as Senate President. It was an honor for me to be his majority leader. He used to call me Major as the major in the plenary. But I can say from experience that he's second to none when it comes to knowledge of our institutional rules, traditions, and processes. He's what we need in the Senate leadership today. Someone who will protect the stability of the Senate and uphold the rules that give this institution shape and direction. Therefore, I would like to second the nomination of Vicente C. Soto III as our Senate President pro temp. Mr. President, there being no other nominations, I therefore move that we close the period of nomination and proceed with acclamation.
We therefore close the period of nominations and proceed to the voting for the Senate President pro tempore. Those who are in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those who are not in favor say nay. The ayes have it. Congratulations to our new Senate President pro tempore, Senator Tito Soto.
Ano?
May we proceed, Mr. President, with
Yan
the
na.
oath taking of. May we proceed, Mr. President, with the oath taking of the Senate President pro tempore.
At least mga kababayan, di ba, napatunayan natin na hindi talaga tayo nagbabalita ng ka-fake newsan dito. Bakit ko nasabi? Di ba, nung isang araw pa nating sinasabi yan, na talagang si Senator Joel lilipat po talaga. Dahil nga mga kababayan, gustong-gusto na nga magtrabaho. At the same time, may mga kumakalat na balita na apektado na talaga yung church. Ano po, so kung titingnan po natin mga kababayan, eto na yon. So ibig sabihin, walang ka-fake newsan doon sa mga sinasabi natin noong mga nakaraang araw. Dahil nga napatunayan natin na totoo naman talaga na lumipat talaga si Senator Joel Villanueva. Anyway, tuloy pa natin.
Sabi daw pang retirement position yung Senate President.
Oh.
You want us to be behind you, sir.
Ayan pala, ayan pala.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry, dito na kami dumaan, sir.
Ito ka, cheese. Yan.
Sa tabi ko. Mamaya, ako na mag-isa eh.
Okay.
Oath of office, please repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Vicente Soto III,
Having been elected Senate President pro tempore,
having been elected to the position of Senate President pro tempore,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully
to
discharge
the best of my abilities,
to the best of my
the
ability
duties
Oh.
of my present position,
the duties of my present position
and of all others I may hereafter
and
hold,
of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Ano? Yan na. Diba? Grabe mga kababayan. Hindi talaga magtatagumpay yung kasamaan mga kababayan yung pinapairal. Ngayon, inaasahan natin na sana babalik na sa maayos ang takbo ng Senado dahil nga maayos naman yung napapalit na Senate President at Senate Pro Tempore. So ngayon, maliwanag na may bago na tayong Senate Pro Tempore at maliwanag na may bago na tayong Senate President.
JB, sama ka naman dito. Joel din, dating manjo. Wala na nomination.
Hindi, off lang.
Ayan, maliwanag Official na po mga kababayan na iniluklok bilang Senate President at Senate Pro Tempore etong si Senator Win Gatchalian at ito pong si Tito Sen. And then mga kababayan, nagbigay na rin ng pahayag dyan si Congressman Sandro Marcos kasi naitanong sa kanya kung ano yung masasabi patungkol po sa pagkakaluklok ni Senator Win Gatchalian bilang Senate President. At ito, pakinggan po natin.
Yes. I saw the news kanina. I guess on behalf of the House, we would like to congratulate Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. We look forward to working with him. I have worked with him during my time as a congressman, and I know how level-headed he can be. So I think that's exactly what this current political climate needs, especially there in the Senate. Level-headedness and just the need for all of us to really get back to work.
Is that a good thing for the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte?
I don't think I'm really the best party to comment on that, but I believe in all the senators' ability to be impartial and
Ayan. 'Di ba? Kahit yung mga kongresista ang kinikilala na rin na Senate President ay walang iba kung hindi etong si Senator Win Gatchalian. So ngayon mga kababayan, umaasa tayo na sana uusad na ang Senado, makakapagtrabaho na ng maayos, makakapagpasa na ng mga panukalang batas na mga mahalagang mapapakinabangan ng mga kababayang Pilipino po natin. At doon naman, mensahe po natin mga kababayan sa Cayetano Black, sana tanggapin nyo na natalo na kayo. Sana totoo yung sinasabi ni Alan Peter Cayetano dito mga kababayan na tinatanggap niya na yung kanyang pagkatalo. Kasi maliwanag naman na bago pa daw yung nangyaring special session mga kababayan, nagbitaw na daw ng pahayag itong si Alan Peter Cayetano na tinatanggap na niya na hindi na po siya Senate President. So ngayon ito, i-play po natin.
Tinanggap na ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na tapos na ang kanyang pamumuno sa Senado bilang Senate President bago pa formal na idineklara
Biruin nyo, napakaiklim panahon. Di ba wala pang isang buwan, napalitan ka na bilang Senate President?
ang
Tapos ikaw yung maiilagay sa kasaysayan na pinaka-worst Senate President dahil nagdala ka ng dilubyo at kaguluhan dyan sa liderato ng Senado.
pagbabago ng liderato sa Senado. Sa Facebook post ng senador, bago pa ang pagsisimula ng special session sa Senado, sinabi nito na hindi siya nalulungkot sa pagkawala ng kanyang posisyon, kundi ang umano'y posibleng pagkawala ng pag-asa ng ilan na masusugpo pa ang korupsyon sa bansa. Gayunpaman, tiniyak ni Senator Alan na ipagpapatuloy pa rin ito
Eto mga kababayan sino ngayon ang pupusta sa akin? Sino ngayon ang pupusta mga kababayan? Ngayong lumipat na si Senator Joel Villanueva sa Win Gatchalian Block, naniniwala ba kayo mga kababayan na biglang lalabas yung pangalan niya na dinilibera ng mali-maletang pera? Pustahan tayo, idadawit yan mga kababayan ng 18 nagpakilalang kargador ng maleta. Isasama nila yan sa kanilang i-reveal na mga listahan mga kababayan. Diba kasi yung kanilang listahan nadadagdagan. Depende sa sitwasyon. So ngayon, hindi na bago sa atin kung biglang lalabas yung pangalan ni Senator Joel Villanueva kasi nga idadawit nila yan dahil nga kumalas na sa Cayetano Block yan. Mga kababayan, ano po? So ngayon ituloy pa natin.
ang paglalabas ng katotohanan at paghahanap sa mastermind sa maanumalyang flood control projects. Sa huli, ipinahayag ng dating Senate President na handa itong makipagtulungan sa bagong liderato ng Senado at tiniyak na susuportahan ang mga pondo para sa tulong sa Mindanao matapos ang lindol.
Ayan Diba mga kababayan, biglang naisip ni Alan Peter Cayetano yung mga bagay na yan. Kung kailan na hindi na siya Senate President. Yan ang sinasabi ko, dapat nung una pa lang tinanggap mo na nang hindi na humantong pa sa kaguluhan at nang hindi na humantong pa sa pinakamasakit na part na kailangan talagang ipamukha sa'yo ng sagad-sagad na hindi ka na Senate President. Eto na, yung pinakamasakit na parte mga kababayan sa buhay ni Alan Peter Cayetano na talagang isinampal na sa kanya yung salitang hindi na siya Senate President. Di po ba? Talagang eto na yung isang patunay na ang kinikilalang Senate President na legit dahil may tracing boto na ay walang iba kung hindi etong si Senator Win Gatchalian. So kayo, mga kababayan, kung kayo po ang tatanungin, ano po masasabi nyo? Hingil po sa usapin na yan, hingil po sa balita na yan. Comment below na lamang po kung ano po masasabi nyo. Hingil po dyan mga kababayan. Kasi para sa akin, talagang pahiya ng matindi dito at talagang dismayado ng matindi dito etong si LRY aka Small Boy at etong si JYD pati itong si Alputera. Kasi nga mga kababayan, wala sinuportahan nila yung Cayetano Block kaso ang ending, nadismaya lang sila. Napahiya lang sila kasi nga hindi na Senate President etong si Alan Peter Cayetano. So comment below na lamang po mga kababayan kung ano po masasabi nyo. Hingil po dyan.